How to record videos in your VLC Media Player. So hey guys, if you want to record a particular section of any video that is playing in the VLC Media Player, then this video is for you. So basically what we are gonna do is, using the VLC Media Player, we will be recording a portion of the video, and basically that also means that we are extracting a part of the video from the original footage. So let us see how to do this. So to do this, the first thing you need to do is open any video in your VLC Media Player. As here you can see that I have opened this particular video in the VLC Media Player. So now let us see how we can record any particular footage from this video. So let us start from any particular timestamp, let's say at 10 seconds. So for example, let's say I want to record the timestamp from 10 seconds, like from here. So to do this, first let's move back to that particular time at which I want to start recording. So for example, let's say at this point, and then the next thing I can do is simply press this red button present at the bottom left corner of my VLC control panel. When I will press this button, you can see that the recording of this footage has started. Then you need to hit the space bar or the play button at the bottom left corner to start playing. And here you can see that it is start playing, and at the 15-second I can just stop it and then click the red button again to finish with this recording. And then to find the recording, you need to head on to your file explorer. Now here you can see that I am in my file explorer. Then from here at the left tab, you need to head on to the videos, and under the videos you will find the recording with a name just like this, which starts with VLC record and then the date of the recording. So if I will double click on it, it will start playing in the VLC player itself. And here you can see the duration of this clip, which is 3 seconds, that we have recorded in the video. So that's how easily you can record the footage from any particular video in your VLC Media Player. So if this video helped you, do make sure to give it a like. Tell us in the comments how it went for you, or if you have any suggestion or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.